Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'd like to show you how to turn on and off this mode quickly and then how to customize it. So let's unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and here we should find the proper icon, which is not here. But no worries, let's tap on this edit icon in the left lower corner and then scroll down. We should see the eye comfort icon, which is, as you can see, right here. So all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then let's drag it to this first section so we will have much faster access to it. Now we can go back and simply tap on the eye comfort. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it is much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on it, and the screen will get back to its normal state. If you want to customize this mode, you can either tap on this icon and hold it, and your device should transfer you to the proper section. But I'd like to show you a full path of how to get to those options in case that your device will not transfer you there. So let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's tap on eye comfort. As you can see, it is on the second position, and let's turn it on. So probably right now you can better see the difference between the screens. And basically here we've got the intensity feature. We can change it, and by going to the left we can make it much cooler. And basically there is no, I mean, there is a difference between the eye comfort turned off and the coolest setting, but it is not really that visible. And by going to the right, you can of course make it much warmer. You can schedule that feature also. The none option means that you will have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, and that was a misclick. I wanted to show you the custom time, so you can pick the start and the end time freely, and your device will apply those hours. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's of course up to you which option you want to use. I will pick none. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.